Hi guys! Hello everyone! This is what happened to my knockout roses. Na-knockout din siya. We have really bad storm last night. We don't have electricity until 1:30 in the morning. So this is what happened. We have heavy rain, strong wind. Kasi yung roses is thorny. You need a gloves. This is a really nice gloves para hindi ka matinik. This is a roses. This gloves is for roses. And we need also a stick. I have this bamboo stick. And this one tie a string or kaning pangtali mo. So yun ang mga kailangan natin. So, ang ginamit ko is cable tie, hindi yung yung pangtali. And then, gumamit ako ng wood. Guys. So, matibay. Mas matibay siya kasi kinabit ko siya